Okay, let's go to problem number 3 on rate 2. So question 3 reads, Mary and Jim decided to travel to Europe one summer. The jet flew at an average rate of 520 miles per hour and covered 3,321.5 miles. How long did the flight take? Okay, so for each of these problems, I want you to write down that distance equals rate times time. Okay. Now, which part of this given information is describing the distance? That's here at 3,321.5 miles, what they traveled. So underneath distance, I'm going to write 3,321.5 miles because I'm going to carry my units, which equals, so here I have the distance. Which of these others am I given? 520 miles per hour describes the rate at which Mary and Jim traveled. So for my rate, I'm going to have 520 miles over hours times time, my unknown. Okay, so now if I want to isolate time, because it's being multiplied by the rate, I'm going to divide both sides by 520 miles per hour. Okay. This means that my time is equivalent to 3,321.5 miles divided by 520 miles per hour. Okay, this can get a little confusing with the numerical values and then the units. So I'm going to separate these into a product of two ratios. Give myself a little more space, where here I have 3,321.5 divided by 520 times the ratio of those units, miles divided by miles per hour. Okay, so here if I have 3,321.5 divided by 520, I'm actually going to evaluate that and do the division. So here I have 3,321.5 divided by 520, which gives me 6.3875. Okay, so I have 6.3875. And the units part is a little tricky. I have miles divided by miles per hour. This is the same as miles times hours over miles. Okay, so my miles, I have miles here in the numerator and miles here in the denominator. So those reduce to 1 after we do the division. And I am left with 6.3875 hours. Okay, so let's just recap what we did. We wrote out distance equals rate times time, substituted the given information, and isolated which of these three we were solving for, or the unknown. I carried my units the entire way, showed where the units canceled or reduced to 1, okay, and wrote my final answer with the appropriate units.